Hi everyone, welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play. In this video, we'll be talking about running lights with a loop, a microbit coding project. So full of code. Well, just full code. LED lights runner. What does it do? The lights move left to right across the middle row. So then the lights move top to the bottom down the middle of the column. So this is what we're doing here. But as you can see, the gray one, you don't need to care about that. That's just like the saying. Anyway, let's go to the next slide because this is our code that we'll be doing.
So it does two things.
Yes, so what will we learn? So number one, how loops are going to work. How the loop is going to work, my bad. Use the for loop to repeat actions. So you guys will see what for loop is in a bit. Well, once we actually go into the Python microbit. So controlling LEDs by coordinates, use display.set underscore pixel x y brightness 2. So 3, forever repeats with the while true. We've been doing that for a long time now. So creates animations that loops forever without stopping, unless if you actually stop it. So that's what we'll be learning. So let's go to the next slide. So for loop.
That's the code name.
So this is for our little friend for. Microbit's best friend actually. Hello, best friend. Hello. They talk to each other. Isn't that convenient?
That's cool.
Actually, hint, the actual best friend's microbit is the battery pack. Because it powers up the microbit. Anyway, that lets us, okay, wait. This is the for loop.
What is for loop?
So for example, you're getting something for their birthday. But it has to be X or Y. So for X or Y. No, actually no, only X. Never mind. Yeah. So in range 5. So you guys are probably wondering, what does 5 mean?
Yes.
I know that you guys know what 5 actually means. But what does 5 mean in this code? So it means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys definitely didn't see that, okay? So it keeps changing keeps changing each time the loop runs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it starts from 0.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. No, 5 times, my bad. First, let me read this.
What is that? Yeah,
so
5 columns.
That lets us move to light across the 5 columns of the microbit. X equals to 0, 2.
Oh, yeah, that's what you explained.
2, 4. Let's go to the next slide now. So display pixel. So you guys might be wondering, what is pixel?
Yeah, what is pixel?
So as you can see on the microbit, I think it's a bit hard for you guys to see, but there's these little dots that are called the pixels, and it's technically lights. So here it is, the little dots, as you can see. There's 25 pixels. They're really called pixels. I can feel it. So let's come back to the table.
So dots are pixels?
They're not called dots, they're called lights. But anyway, lights are called pixels in Python programming.
Python programming name is pixels.
Yeah, so this turned on the LED at column X, row 2, the middle row.
X, column, row 2.
So 9 is the brightness. Full brightness is range 0 to 9.
Yes.
So if you don't want any brightness, pretend you just woke up in the night and then you want to see this, but you don't want too bright. I'm just saying, okay? So then you could turn it down, 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 all the way to 0. So 9 is the highest, 0 is the lowest. So display dot set underscore pixel x 2 and 9, and 2, like we said, is the column x and row 2. So let's go into the next slide now while I hold my dear microbit. Turn off the light. So this turns off the light.
So if we turn off the lights, we put 0 there at the end.
Yes, technically, yeah. So if you don't want any lights, then just put 0. If you want the lowest brightness, then put 1. Anyway, this turns off the light at the same position. So now the pixel is off. I mean up. And the next one will light up in the next loop.
Okay. Good.
It's not that kind of loop, by the way. So let's go to the next slide. Let's put our dear microbit down. Let's just let it laying down with this bestie.
Okay, you are taking good care of that microbit.
Good night, microbit. Anyway, so full color LED light runner. What does it do? The light moves left to right across the middle row. Then the lights move top to bottom in the middle column. So here is the beautiful code again that has been sent to the microbit already. That's how you guys saw it. Anyway, let's see what's next up. Hint, we're actually going to go to the Python microbit. So let's go. So starting code on microbit Python editor. So let's just close your eyes for like 2 seconds. It's fine if you don't. So here is our beautiful code that has been sent to our microbit. So let's play it, and then we can talk about it. So here it is. Play.
Oh, it's moving across and up and down, side to side. And
Yeah.
I noticed that code has like dot. It's not
That's
like
a
a straight line.
dot.
Yeah.
Up. But I'm supposed to go up.
Okay, good. So explain us about that code.
So for x in range 5, like we saw, and don't mind all these purple lines.
Where is the x range 5?
It's right there.
Yeah,
I
in
just said
microbit,
it.
please. In that.
In the microbit is
Yeah.
in the microbit.
Yeah, where can be the 5?
The 5,
x5.
x5 is all the lines, rows. As you
Down
can
there.
see, maybe you guys can't see. I'm just gonna come up a bit closer,
X5.
as you can see.
And then 2y.
2y is right here.
Good. So that's what I noticed there in the coding microbit. The dot was going there, the 2, and then other one going the other way.
Okay, so there's a short pause before repeating the whole entire thing. And now let's play it on our microbit again.
Yeah, let's start. You already transferred there.
Yes, it is transferred. 3, 2, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da. Showing. Yes, it is. And now
It's
let's go to
cool.
the board and play it on here.
You invented some good stuff, Rina.
Start. It loops.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway.
So
So-
x3, right?
Yep.
That was
X3.
x3. It's going in x3, and
And it
then
was brightness 9.
yeah, if you put 2 brightness, what will happen?
So 2 brightness will go super low.
Do you wanna try?
So let's put on 2. And I believe we have to put it here too.
Yeah.
There we go. And now let's play. You can barely see it, can't you guys, right?
Yeah. And I
Because it's
cannot
on
see.
2. Let's put it on. Let's try 5.
Yeah.
Maybe 5 you guys can see it.
So brightness always stay at the last.
There, now you can see it. 2
So
you can
X,
see it.
Where is X there, Lena?
X is all the rows. So I'm just gonna draw all the
X3.
rows.
And Y.
X3 is up
2Y.
here.
Yeah. Good.
And this. And so, that's X3. The line that we're supposed to be on. Now let's check. Oh, it's already going. Anyway,
X, Y2.
okay. Anyway, sorry for the pause. Let's go back to our
Row 2, Lena. It's a row. Can you explain? Like there is a code, right? X, comma 3, comma 5, right? So you put the row 2. Can you explain that one?
okay.
And middle
so
row?
middle row
Yeah.
be 2, and this one also 2.
Now wait, middle row and column X. Explain that part.
Okay, now let's try.
Yeah. So X2,
Now-
can you please?
Now, wait. Now, it was before coming up here.
Yeah. So what
Because
is that row?
that is row 3
Can
that
you
it was
please write
on.
it down? 0,
And
1,
this
2, 3.
is 2. This is 1. This is 0. And this is 4. So I'm
can you
just
write
gonna
0,
take
1, 2,
down
3,
all
4,
that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There.
Yeah. And then up in the Y row, column. Sorry.
Okay, so 0 is already there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. So
So-
now, so which will be X2?
X2
Yes.
is right there.
Can you put the highlighted?
Well, I can't really highlight it, but I can split.
And then Y is 2Y.
And now 2y is right here.
So let's see if Lena is right. Now can you please play the code now?
Oops.
Voila.
Voila!
Very good. Good. Nice explaining.
Anyway, let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, so that's what we were just on, Python Microbit. So, thank you for watching Lena's Pretend Play. Woo, good
It was
night. They
nice
want to take a
video,
nap.
Lena. Good job. I'm proud of you.
Good job, Microbit.
Thank
This
you
is
for
our hope.
teaching us for loop.
Anyway, for now, bye!